Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delbia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing great, as you guys can see. So today I brought you guys this very simple hair tutorial you can do on your medium to long natural hair, and you look gorgeous and you have this illusion of this big bone on behind your hair as if you have so much hair. Meanwhile, you just did some little tricks. So if you're interested in knowing how I got my hair looking this nice and simple, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Subscribe if you find my videos interesting, and share with your friends in your natural hair groups, Facebook, wherever, and I'll catch you guys in another video. So let's get into the tutorial for today. So to begin this hairstyle, you need your brush, the detangling brush, and this soft brush to slick your hair, and also you need your hair band. And very quickly, before I start, I'm just going to add some moisture. I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Just spray my hair a little bit, and then I went in to apply this hair repair coconut oil and baobab oil on my hair a little bit, front of my hair here, and I detangled my hair going backwards like this. Just to give your hair a smooth backward look, brush, detangle your hair very well. And I'm going to go in with my hair band, just cross it over my hair like so, place it here, and then I just start pushing it backwards like so. So when I reach the middle of my hair, I'm going to stop. So right now, I'm just going to stretch the back of my hair. Using my brush. And just tuck the excess under the hairband itself, and I'll use bobby pins. I'll use my bobby pin to secure this hairband here so it doesn't move, like so. Same on this other side. So now I'll just brush my front section of my hair to look smooth. I'll go in with some gel just to smoothen it. I'm looking here because this is where my mirror is. Very quickly, I'm going to tie my hair for a few minutes so this front part can lay flat. So here I don't have really much time to wait for the gel to dry down before I show you guys, so you can go ahead and do that while you do some house activities or it looks just for a few minutes. This is the front, the side, the other side. And the back. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this very simple hairstyle, and I love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.